Now I'm seeing neck, shoulders, upper back.
Yeah, and that's been since I was like 12. Like, it never goes away. It always hurt all the time.
So that's been there for years.
And it doesn't go away. Like, never. Even at night, I wake up like at least once. Every night. Every night.
Have you lay face down on the table, please? So now, we're going to start things off. I always like to first scan the body, and I go from that cervical spine, checking the leg length, and then we check the symmetry from the right side to the left side. Let me know if anything is painful or tender, okay?
Oh, and right there, just...
Right here?
Yeah.
Okay. Any pain in my
Oh,
patient?
yeah.
Okay. Alrighty. You ready to get your first chiropractic adjustment?
Yes.
Okay, good. So we're going to start off up top. Right in here. How was that?
That was good.
Okay. Let me have you take a deep breath in and exhale out. Good. One more time, a little bit lower here. Deep breath in and exhale out. There we go. Let me have you sit up on the table and then straddle the table for me. So one leg on the right, one leg on the left. Keep your thighs to the table for me. Good. There it was. Relax, relax. Let me have control here. Good. Okay. Now I know with that upper back issue, let me have you stand up. Bring your arms up. Yep, so I'm going to put my hands up and over. Put your hands, I got you, over mine. Good. Now I'm going to lean you back. I got you. Squeeze your elbows together.
Oh.
Good. Okay. Let me have you take a deep breath in and exhale out. There. And now we're going to use a Y strap.
I know. Oh!
Breathe.
Yeah, I need to breathe.
Breathe.
Oh my God.
Deep breath in and out. How do you feel? How's that upper back?
The back is way better.
Do you notice a difference?
Yeah.
Stand up, stand up.
Yeah, I feel so much more like relaxed and not so tense.
Okay.
I feel better.
This is how you need to feel all the time.